I'm gonna show you how to add a section in Framer step by step. So to get started, you have to open your Framer, and then from there you have to open your project. You can open a new project or your existing project or start a new one. And the next step is to add a new section. So to do that, you just have to click on the plus button in the top left corner, add panel, or go to insert or layout. So from there you just have to go to sections, and then from there you just have to select or drag it into a canvas clear, click to insert, choose a pre-made selection layout. From there you can add it by just dragging it into the canvas, or you can add one or more canvas or pre-made section layout to the canvas. And so from there you just have to customize the section that you added, and then just click on the text or images or buttons inside the section to edit them. And then from there, use the right sidebar to adjust padding, layout, and background color. You can replace images, change text, and style elements easily. And you can also reorder or duplicate it. So use the layers panel left side to drag the section up or down, right click to duplicate or delete any section. So that's it. That's how to add a section in Framer.